Hey, hi. Today we will see another part of Kano model, that is habituation. And if you don't subscribe to the channel, I request you please do subscribe to the channel. It will really, motivate me to create more and more videos. Okay, so let's get started. So there is extra dimension of features known as a habituation. Habituation is about how your customer feels about the features, which can change over the time as a customer becomes more habituated to that features, and that is called habituation effect. Uh, now we can say that delighting features can become performance feature, and after some time eventually it becomes must have features. So in short, this is called as a habituation. So let's make an example. Um in previous days, the customer might have delighted to find TV in their hotel room, but after some time, having TV in hotel room was like performance features. But nowadays, it's simply considered as a must-have requirement. I hope you're clear with this process. What is mean by habituation? Okay, so here are five step, or we can say that here are five-step process to follow while using Kano model. They are very first is select the features which you need to consider. Survey your customer, categorize each answer, collect your data, and prioritize the features you will deliver. So we can say that habituation is the process when your customer become used to particular feature, which is no longer excite your customer, but it is like taken for granted feature by your customer. Now let's deep dive into each step. At very first step, you have to select features to consider. So here you will simply create a list of all the features you are going to implement. Now this features can come from either from your product backlog, or it may be possible that it is a request from your customers or from management or from team brainstorming. Now second step is customer survey. In customer survey, you simply ask your customers how they feel about each of the feature which you have identified in standardized way using two questions. So the first question is asked in positive way, which is also known as functional way. That means you ask your customer how they would feel if the product had this feature. And second question is asked in negative way, which is also known as dysfunctional question, which means you ask your customer how they would feel if the product did not have these particular features. You can see this table where you simply put your feature list with your positive and negative questions, and you have categorized your customers answers like I like it, I expect it, I am neutral, I can tolerate it, and I dislike it. Now let's move to the next step, that is categorize each answer. Based on the answer given by the customer, you can identify how your customer view that feature using this table. Now to use this table, you need to take customers' answers to your functional, that is positive question, as well as to your negative, that is dysfunctional question as well, and you will take the table reference to get an idea about how customer feels. For example, if you ask any functional question to your customer and your customer expected the feature to be present and at the same time they dislike it if it wasn't there, then it will be a must have feature. Let's take another feature in which customer would like the feature to be present, but they could tolerate if the feature is not present. Then we can say this is a delight feature. Now, please note that there is one more categorization is present in this table which we have not covered. That is a questionable feature. And these are simply features which can't categorize as customer has given very conflicting answers. Step 4 is to collect your data. So based on the answers we have received from the customers, you will able to understand how they as a unit view the future which you have under consideration. So let's take an example. Suppose you are considering to implement three features and you survey 10 customers. Your data will look like, like the table which you are seeing on the screen. So let's say that for feature 1 out of 10, 6 people are saying it is a delight feature. 3 people are saying it is a performance feature. One customer is saying it is a must have feature. For feature 2 out of 10, one customer is saying it is a delight feature, 4 are saying it is a performance feature, and 3 are saying it is a must have feature. Similarly, for feature 3, one customer is saying it is a delight feature, 7 customers are saying it is a must have feature, where 2 customers are saying it is an indifferent feature. So, are you getting an idea that this table will help you to get a clear idea about your customer's view? And final step is to prioritize the features. It should begins with committing to deliver the must-have features because your customers expect this feature by default and they will be dissatisfied if they are not present. So you have to develop it first. Next step, just have a look on your performance features and try to include as many as you can. After that, try to include delight features. Just have a look on your performance features and delight features. Compare those features. Try to cut off some performance features and bring delight features in because delighters attract more customers. Remove if there are any reverse features. Finally, if there are any indifferent features, you can be ignored because they deliver no value to your customer. I hope you enjoyed today's session and I look forward to speak to you. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to press bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload new video. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye bye. Keep learning.